I mean, CES is a big deal just because it's where the industry meets to talk about how different technologies are getting into multiple different segments, whether it be TVs, smartphones, consumer electronics devices, and automotive. CES has become very important for automotive, and if you go to the North Hall, it speaks for itself. We're very committed to that, and if you come to see Qualcomm's exhibit, you'll see that we've increased the size and our presence with respect to automotive here at CES.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the one-time experience. We went through this process of really building momentum with infrastructure to an enterprise cloud, and that a company has been executing and.
So Toyota announced today that it is constructing what we call the Woven City. That is a prototype city of the future that allows us to test our case technologies. That's connected, autonomous, shared, and environmental technology. And so this is going to be a new city that we are constructing in Japan to be able to test all of this new technology in a controlled urban environment.
We research and test this technology.
The second type will be an urban promenade shared by pedestrians and slower personal mobility.
To start and more as it grows. I suppose you could say. And now we hope to use the technology to weave together a new kind of city.
Very exciting today for AMD, kicking off 2020. AMD is all about high performance computing, and we showed how we were going to bring all new processing power to the ultra thin laptop form factor. So we launched the new N7 nanometer AMD Ryzen Mobile 4000 series processors. This combines our all new Zen 2 core. This is the best CPU core in the market, combining it with the best graphics in the market. And then we have three versions. We have the U series for ultra thin consumer laptops, the H series for gamers and creators, and then we have the Pro series for commercial laptops. We also today launched, for all of those gamers out there, the AMD Radeon 5600 XT. This is the ultimate 1080p gaming graphics cards, whether you like AAA gaming, or you like esports gaming, or you do a little bit of both. Finally, we will launch the world's first 64-core desktop processor, just absolutely beastly performance. This thing just blows away anything else that you can bring to the desktop form factor. And we showed off how it enables real-time 8K video editing while transcoding, which was just simply never possible before. So a really exciting CES already for AMD and our big announcements.
Chiplet designs, which allow you to really mix and match the best that technology has to offer in a single package. And it's about using the best manufacturing technology that's available in the industry today, which is 7 nanometer manufacturing technology.
DDR6. So now that we've covered the specs, any stuttering or tearing can absolutely remove you from the gameplay. And so we believe very strongly that
At AMD, we have co-engineered and custom designed a state-of-the-art processor.
This is the new Mac Pro.
For a big upgrade in graphics performance, the Mac Pro can be configured with AMD's Radeon Pro Vega 2. This is quite...
We came to CES because we think marine technology should be on the same platform as you see automotive technology and you see aviation technology. Marine products, boats are as sophisticated as those devices. And I think it's important that we're able to demonstrate that to people, and people take an interest in marine who might not otherwise have understood the kind of technological background to it. CES is really important to us and will be more important in the future. It's important that we raise the profile of marine in the technical community, if you like. So I would like the people who are thinking about deploying a new technology might just be thinking about automotive or might be thinking about aircraft or something, to also be thinking about marine as a potential target for their new technology. Maybe they become a partner with us, maybe they offer us a system, maybe we can enhance their system. But they should be thinking about, we should have this elevated dialogue, an elevated profile of marine, and I think CES brings that stage for us.
Familiar to many of you and what's going on in marine, and I think you'll see the pattern. Freedom Boat, it's a shared access model, and it's over time. Our marine propulsion division, Mercury Marine, is the leading propulsion. You think about optimization of fuel economy and performance, you think about active suspension, you think about active aerodynamics. We have the equivalence of all of those things. We've made huge strides on connectivity. So all of our premium boats now come as connected products. You buy the boat, you get the app. And so we put a lot of effort and a lot of money in Brunswick into our product development and technology. But what you can
We've been talking about possessing the passion that is driven you to overcome adversity and the discipline and dedication to do your very best.
Foulkes Foundation. We want to.
We're so proud to be the official projection technology.
Next time we get Cantina Recon.
You're right.
8 to 12 different sensors being distributed across the entire car.
For Continental in North America. So it's my pleasure on behalf of the team to welcome you today. If you would do me a favor and
this area, we have new technologies and new announcements to be made.
Magic, isn't it? We just take desynchronized, like vandalism, or if you simply drive into a
unified hardware and software interface, liberated the value of the humans has to be worth $300 billion. And the human-machine interface is becoming part of our dominant between humans. We have the end-to-end capabilities to design, produce, market, and sell.
TCL is focused on being a brand that provides a much broader promise to our users.
Voice control, mobile gaming, healthier lifestyles, and environmental sustainability.
That connects the air to the ground and the people. Broad and aging infrastructure.
Gridlock and the democratization of flight.
I think we look forward to that liberation.
Pilot. And it's ideal for inner city travel, but can only
never be enjoyed by the masses.
Yes, I already mentioned that UAM will bring democratization of flight.
Happy 2020.